Welcome to Career Guidance video series from DreamPath Foundation, Bangalore. Careers in Pharmacy. Pharmacy not only means a place where medicines are dispensed, but also a profession of preparing, preserving, compounding, and dispensing medical drugs. Pharmacy is a growing profession with good opportunities. This video gives an overview of pharmacy as a career option. In this session, you will be able to understand what is pharmaceutical field, why is it important, how is our country doing in the pharma sector, what are the courses one can pursue, what are the various job opportunities in this sector. Pharmaceutical field. In the olden days, the physicians themselves prepared and dispensed medicines to patients. Post-World War II, preparation of medicines was taken over by the pharmaceutical industries. Affordable medicines of good quality were made available through large-scale production. Pharma field deals with the discovery, development, production and distribution of medicines. Let's look at some of these stages. Discovery. When a cure for a disease has to be identified, it is studied in detail at the cellular or molecular level, and the potential molecules or compound that can cure the disease are identified. Development. The identified molecules are tested in the lab and safe and effective options are chosen. The clinical trials are carried out. Once the safety and efficacy is established and all necessary approvals and licenses are obtained, the drug is ready to be manufactured. This is a complicated process and takes around 10 to 15 years. Production and distribution. The medicines are manufactured in a plant and distributed across country, and some are also exported to other countries. India is among the leading global producers of cost-effective generic medicines and vaccines, supplying 20% of the total global demand by volume. The country has an established domestic pharmaceutical industry with 3,000 plus drug companies and about 10,500 plus manufacturing units, including multinationals, government-owned and private companies. India also has several hundreds of Ayurvedic manufacturers. Her Ayurvedic and herbal medicines are exported across the world. To pursue pharmacy education, both diploma, that is Diploma in Pharmacy, also called D-Pharm, and degree, that is Bachelor's in Pharmacy, also called B-Pharm, are available. Pharm D stands for Doctorate of Pharmacy and was started in 2008. It is an integrated 6-year course. A B-Pharm graduate can pursue M-Pharm and specialize in regulatory affairs, pharmacology, etc., pursue MBA in pharma, a PG diploma, diploma in clinical research, etc. The prerequisite for admission to these courses is completion of class 12 or equivalent with a science background. Pharm D is a 6-year course with 1 year of hospital internship. After completing D Pharm, one can get lateral entry into B Pharm second year based on merit. After completing B Pharm, lateral entry into Pharm D fourth year is a possibility. The following skills will be useful for a successful career in pharmacy. Students must assess their interest in chemistry, especially a liking for organic chemistry. Attention to detail is very critical as pharmaceutical field develops life-saving drugs. Apart from the technical knowledge of pharma, strong ethics is desired as it is vital to keep sensitive information confidential. Communication skills, basic computer skills, analytical skills are few other desired skills. Pharmacists work in various settings: pharmaceutical industry, practice settings, and other settings. Let's look at some employment opportunities. Pharmaceutical industry. Jobs in this industry perform various tasks not in direct contact with the patients, yet largely contributing to the healthcare sector. Various areas in which they carry out their tasks are research and development for drug development, manufacturing of bulk drugs and intermediates, allopathy, Ayurvedic and veterinary medicines, vaccines and other biological products, diagnostic products, and medical devices. Packaging plays an important role in the identification, safe storage, distribution, and administration of pharmaceutical products. Quality of a drug is the most important aspect for any pharmaceutical company. Both quality assurance and quality control play a very important role. Quality assurance is assuring overall quality management, including preparing, reviewing and submitting documents, conducting trainings, internal audits, etc. Quality control is testing throughout the life cycle of the drug and the finished product. Sales and marketing includes marketing of pharmaceuticals, working as a medical representative. Jobs in medical writing include writing scientific documents in the field of medicine. Each type of medical writing is intended for a particular audience. Example, medical professionals, patients and the general public, members of the medical sales or drug regulators. A qualification in pharmacy or microbiology or nutrition and dietetics or biochemistry or biotechnology and command over English is preferred. Regulatory jobs related to preparing, reviewing, communicating, submitting registration documents on pharmaceuticals to regulatory agencies to get R&D, testing, production and marketing approvals, issues related to patients. Analytical chemists play an important role to ensure safety of the drugs for human consumption. Apart from pharmacists, job opportunities in the pharmaceutical industry exist for graduates, postgraduates in microbiology, biochemistry, chemistry, biotechnology. In practice settings, pharmacists are employed in a retail medical store, in hospital pharmacy and clinical pharmacy, where they work in liaison with physicians and attend ward rounds and contribute towards making suggestions in therapy. They can also start their own pharmacy. Pharmacists also work in other settings like academics, as teachers in pharmacy colleges. One needs to be a postgraduate in pharmacy to qualify as a lecturer. A PhD is essential to climb up the academic ladder. Government, drug inspectors, drug controllers to carry out inspections, giving clinical trial approvals, manufacturing approvals, market approvals, etc. The Center Drugs Standard Control Organization, CDSCO, is the national regulatory body for Indian pharmaceuticals and medical devices. Clinical research. Clinical research organizations in India have a skilled workforce and hire clinicians, pharmacologists, pharmacists, toxicologists, chemists, analysts, etc. Chemical industries also hire analytical chemists, pharmacologists, etc. Let us look at some common misconceptions about careers in pharmacy. In the eyes of the public, the pharmacist's role is restricted to buying and selling of medicines. However, they work in a wide range of activities including R&D, manufacturing, academics, clinical research, etc. Medicines needed for treatment of lifestyle-related diseases like diabetes, blood pressure, and vitamin pills are always in demand and as such have no impact due to recession. Contrary to the belief that pharmacy is not an interesting career option, it is a versatile and a dynamic profession. However, it is underrated as most students choose pharmacy as a last resort. They lack interest and end up losing focus. Another misconception is that there are no opportunities outside of India. This is not true. After B.Pharm, students may consider pursuing master's degree outside India to make their career even more lucrative and challenging. To summarize, any hardworking individual with the right skills and attitude can progress in this field. Students who are aspiring to pursue any course in pharmacy should first ensure that the institution that they intend to join has been approved by the Pharmacy Council of India by visiting the website of the Pharmacy Council of India. Here are some activities that can help you in the decision-making process. Read about penicillin discovery. Talk to a friend or a relative in the pharma industry. Ask them about their job. Visit a nearby pharmaceutical plant or watch any YouTube video on how medicines are made. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. If you would like to watch other videos in this series, please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below. Use the Career Guidance playlist on the DreamPath Foundation channel to access all the videos in this series. You may contact us using the contact information given here. Thank you.